In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Teamwork. Which one is better? We're taking a practical, side-by-side look at what each platform is built to do, how their standout features show up in real work, and how to decide which one fits your team without wasting time on setup you won't use. If you're opening one of these tools for the first time, or you're weighing pros and cons before a switch, this walkthrough will help you make a confident, informed choice. Let's start with the big picture. Both ClickUp and Teamwork aim to centralize work, reduce manual tasks, and keep projects moving. Where they differ is in philosophy and focus. ClickUp positions itself as software to replace all software, while Teamwork is engineered around running client projects profitably. Knowing that core intent makes the rest of their features much easier to evaluate. ClickUp frames the modern chaos of tasks scattered across chats, docs, and apps as work sprawl, where a large portion of effort gets lost in context. At the center of its approach is ClickUp Brain, a 24/7 intelligent assistant that surfaces answers, helps manage projects, and supports AI talk-to-text, so you can dictate updates or notes and move faster. The platform includes specialized AI agents for different departments, like project management agents that keep deliverables on track, marketing agents that draft copy, and software agents that can generate code. Additional agents focus on operations, employee experience, and automating check-ins to close the gap between strategy and execution. In practice, that means you can use one environment to capture ideas, plan sprints, track dependencies, write documentation, and automate routine updates, with AI helping you keep work organized and actionable. ClickUp emphasizes scale and efficiency claims, citing a 384% return on investment and tens of thousands of hours saved, with payback in under 6 months. It also highlights enterprise readiness with global security standards such as SOC 2 and GDPR, and a large user base measured in the millions. The promise here is breadth. One place for tasks, docs, goals, whiteboards, dashboards, and departmental workflows, all supported by AI to reduce manual overhead. If your team spans multiple functions, say product, engineering, marketing, and ops, and you want a single, customizable system, ClickUp's all-in-one approach and AI-first tooling are designed to give you that leverage. Now let's look at Teamwork. Teamwork is built specifically to help teams deliver client work on time and under budget, with less manual effort and better visibility into staff capacity. It brings tasks, files, and communication together in one place, and it offers flexible views like Gantt charts and boards so you can match the tool to the way you already plan. Where it really leans in is on advanced project operations, portfolio management to track multiple engagements at once, time tracking that connects effort to cost, and workload management to prevent over or under utilization across your team. Teamwork integrates with the tools you already use and offers tailored approaches for different groups. Agencies can manage resource scheduling across clients and projects. Marketing teams can keep cross-team alignment visible as campaigns progress. Creative teams can rely on time tracking to make sure deadlines are realistic and billing reflects actual work. Its dashboards and reporting aim to act as a single source of truth, giving leadership and account managers clean, accurate views of project health, burn, and profitability, from kickoff through monthly reporting. In day-to-day use, this focus means you can scope, schedule, assign, track time, and report without bolting on a lot of extra parts, so leaders know whether projects are healthy and clients get predictable outcomes. So, how do you decide between them? Anchor on what you need most. If you want an expansive, AI-assisted workspace that unifies planning, documentation, and execution across departments, ClickUp's breadth and automation can reduce app switching and help teams move fast in one shared system. If your world revolves around billable work, capacity planning, and repeatable delivery for clients, teamwork's structure around time, workload, and profitability will feel purpose-built and immediately relevant. As you evaluate, map your current workflow onto each tool. For ClickUp, imagine replacing separate apps for docs, tasking, and notes with one workspace. Try using ClickUp Brain to summarize a project brief, draft a checklist from a meeting note, or convert voice notes to tasks using AI talk-to-text. Explore how departmental AI agents could remove handoffs, for example by having marketing agents draft first-pass copy, or project agents generate timelines from goals. Check whether the platform's templates, automations, and dashboards mirror the stages your work moves through, and make sure permissions and security settings align with your compliance requirements. For teamwork, start with an active client project and set up milestones, task lists, and dependencies in either a Gantt chart or board view to see how planning translates into execution. Turn on time tracking and workload management to understand utilization at a glance. Then connect that data to reporting so you can monitor budget burn and schedule risk in real time. If you manage multiple engagements, test portfolio management to roll up status and forecast capacity across the entire book of work. Validate the integrations you rely on, and make sure your reporting cadence, weekly status, or monthly summaries, can be generated quickly and consistently. There isn't a universal winner here. The better choice is the one that amplifies your workflow. ClickUp shines when you want to consolidate tools and harness AI across many functions. Teamwork shines when your priority is delivering client projects with clear profitability and capacity controls. Whichever you choose, keep your setup lean. Start with 1 or 2 representative projects and iterate until the views, automations, and reports match how your team already communicates and decides. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.